Uli na ko kay naka. I didn't purchase for now because I have to study well first before buying, because it's so expensive to buy right away and then later you regret. My car is there, over there. My car is there. I have to walk and exercise. Mura po ga exercise. Dili na lang kumukuan. That's our department store here. It's like a village. See? There. It's like a village. Here. Okay. I have to walk. Ang enits. Napaka-enits. My car is over there. Wala kay tao, kay nasa sulod sa department store. Not yet. Wala pa. Takuan. Okay. Lihok-lihok man akong kuan, oy. Kay balo ko. Ay, kalihok-lihok. My car is upstairs, second floor ka na, the other side. Where? I thought it's here. Nakalimutan ako na naanday sa taas. Sulod na po ko sa department store na ito. Two minutes. Siya usapin. Ini din sa palitono. Naaman po sa Pilipinas ba? This is my cotton bag. Tapos ako din narao para sa kuan beauty, for the beauties, beautifying. Look at the prices. It's 2,500 yen. This is for Sleeping Beauty. The pillow, hot massage pillow. Hot ice gel eye pillow. Coffee maker. enjoyable to window shop. Daghang kay abubot na gwapo kaayo. Rao. This is for facial point care brush. Sama ni siya. Sama ni siya. Init siguro ni siya. Treatment. Kani-set ni siya. Ang massage cushion is 10,000 yen. It's equivalent to 5,000 pesos kanilang. Kaya naaman siya massage man siya. Massage cushion. Very cute. Kanilang siya. 1,400.